Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield for Wyckoff SMI.com. LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review, April 6, 2025. Stocks are down again 4 or 5% tonight, going into Monday's opening. As we all know, Thursday and Friday was absolute massacres. We've been warning all this way up that the markets did not look well. We thought last week maybe best case scenario we could bounce for a week or so, but that did not happen. And we have accelerated to the downside. It looks like we've got some problems here on the stocks and going to continue lower here in the foreseeable, I think, weeks and months now. So, again, Wyckoff wave in front of us. Nothing to talk about. I mentioned Friday that our indicators were not oversold on any of our general stock market indices, and I thought we would continue to work lower. So we're definitely getting that Monday. Let's see how our indicators do on Monday's big pullback. Wyckoff Wave New Index, again, same type of thing. Had the up-thrust after distribution in the test, and now we quickly falling through the ice. And technometer 43 going into Monday. Wyckoff Wave Growth Index had that LPSY that I mentioned, and collapsing. SPY, same thing, had that rally up to the red highlight there. I was showing some of our people in our stock and crypto discords that probably we've had that 5 ways down that's going to be coming in the stock market. We're in the midst of the third, so that could bounce at any time and give us some sideways here. And then again, still probably lower. But technometer here, 42.46, which is not allowing us to do any buying. TLT, I talked about further rally while stocks fell. We did get that. We touched up there above 94 on Friday. Technometer 42.74. So I think the stock weakness will give us a sell in the TLT, but not there yet. Crude collapsed off of the Trump tariff news. You can see that here. Absolute horrible performance. I've been talking about wanting to be long the XLE, waiting for a perfect setup, and just not getting it. So glad we're not long there after sells up there around 93. So staying on the sidelines. I talked about GLD and the precious metals making what could be a meaningful top, and I recommended taking profits. So nice selling Thursday and Friday. Again, I think that's an important top. I think we're headed down to that 230, 240 level, possibly before we get a good bounce. And there's the gold, same type of thing, top in place. Dollar, I've been short. We had a major sell there, sell signal, and have some pretty good stair-stepping lower. I did recommend covering shorts if you had that position on for our stock Discord. So I did that around 101.72, I believe it was. I thought really we'd have some type of sideways here before lower. So again, I took that short off, but I'm still looking for lower. Bitcoin held up really well throughout the week. And now the last 24 hours, we've had some selling finally coming in, catching up to the downside. It just can't shake off the stock weakness. But I am going to do a special report here for subscribers and students. I do think that emerging markets could be making a low here, which will help out Bitcoin versus the U.S. stock market. So I'm leaning the U.S. stock market is continuing lower, and emerging markets can make a pretty good low, and Bitcoin could be making a nice low down here. So we're going to be looking for that in the days and the weeks ahead. That's all for now. Have a great week trading, and good luck.